Hi. My name is Joram. I have been struggling for years about the size of my thing as a man. I could not feel comfortable because it was too small. My wife could not tell me that she wasn't happy until she saw the changes after I visited my grandfather in India, who told me about this amazing traditional oil made at home from garlic, okra seeds, and other two ingredients. I believe many peoples would like to know and try this traditional recipe. It might help someone. That is why I have decided to share it for free, because I paid nothing to know it, and now I am happy and comfortable with 6 inches from the 2 I used to have.
Well, before he tells you how to use this amazing homemade recipe from 4 ingredients, let's watch a step-by-step preparation of this recipe.
If you follow the preparations procedure of this recipe correctly, you will finally get a thick gel after you allow it to cool as shown in this video. Apply the oil just like normal skin oil, morning and night. Repeat every day for 2 weeks.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please remember to subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any questions, just type in the comments below. We shall let him answer all your questions.